Yes.
Hello there everyone, it's your girl Clenam and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to cook this Italian restaurant style sausage pasta dinner. So without wasting your time, let's get it started. The ingredients needed are white wine, black pepper, our pasta of course, our cooking cream, Parmesan cheese, tomato puree, olive oil, salt, our sausage, and one medium-sized onion. My first step is going to be to chop my onion and my sausage. And remember, all the quantities of the ingredients will be stated in the description box below, so make sure you check them out. Done with that step, it's now time to choose your favorite pan. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, followed by your chopped onions, and when the onion is well caramelized, we're going to add our sausage. So now all we have to do is to wait for the sausage to lose its pink color, and then we're going to add our wine. This is going to help the meat release its juices and flavors. And then when the wine evaporates, leaving this juice as you can see in the video, it will be time to add our tomato puree. We definitely don't want this to be a long process, so we're going to start cooking our pasta, and we are going to do that in our saucepan. Add some water, and when it boils, we're going to add the salt and our pasta, and while that is cooking, we are going back to our sauce. And as you can see, the liquid in the tomatoes has evaporated, so it's now time to add our cream and stir until it gets thick, and it has to be cooked on a medium to low heat. When the sauce is ready, it's going to look as creamy as you see in the video. So it's now time to add our pasta. And a couple of tips to always perfectly cook your pasta is to 1. Never throw the water used to cook the pasta away. This is because we're going to add it to the sauce to further cook your pasta, and this is all going to contribute to the juiciness of your dish. And also on my package, it was stated that the pasta was supposed to cook for 13 minutes, but I always take it out 10 minutes after cooking, and then I just end the cooking process in the sauce. This is going to help the sauce to stick to your pasta, and it's all going to contribute to the taste. So when all that is done, what I'm going to do is to just sprinkle some black pepper on top of it, add my Parmesan cheese and stir, and then I'm also going to check the level of salt. I did not feel any need to add more salt because the water from the pasta was already salty, but if you feel like you want to add it, just feel free and do you. And also, if you feel like the pasta is a little bit on the harder side, or it is dry, just add more water from the pasta. So after about 5 minutes of cooking in the sauce, my pasta is ready, and the Italian in me wants me to add more Parmesan cheese, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. As usual, if you loved what you saw or if you like what you see, please do not forget to support this channel by subscribing, giving me the thumbs up, and sharing with your friends. Thanks for your time and thanks for watching. Bye bye.